In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import in QuickBooks. This process is hands down an essential skill for anyone managing business finances, and it can be incredibly useful if you have a lot of data to deal with. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your data neatly into QuickBooks without any hassle. Starting off, once you have signed into your QuickBooks account and you land on the main dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the option labeled New. This is located as part of the tools that QuickBooks provides for adding new data. Think of this as your starting point for bringing in new information to manage in your QuickBooks system. With a click on this option, a list of various actions will pop up, presenting you with a menu of tasks. From this list, you'll want to select Journal Entry. This is the critical choice that kickstarts our data import adventure today. Having found your way to the Journal Entry section, your next task is to locate the button that reads Import. This is essentially your portal to importing data from external sources like Excel. Clicking Import will open a new window that acts as a bridge to pull files from your computer straight into QuickBooks. This step is where your Excel data begins its transition into the QuickBooks environment. Now here's an important tip. Ensure your Excel file is saved in the CSV format. This is key for compatibility and ensures a smooth import process. With that squared away, it's time to click on Browse, which will open up a file explorer on your computer. This will feel quite familiar, similar to uploading a photo, where you navigate through your folders to find the specific CSV file you wish to import. Once you've located and selected your file, QuickBooks will work its magic by pulling all that data from Excel right into its system. After you've successfully uploaded your data, you'll want to head back to the main QuickBooks dashboard. Here, you can view and manage all your transactions, details, and data seamlessly. You're back in the heart of your financial management system, where everything intertwines harmoniously. And just like that, you have successfully imported your Excel data into QuickBooks Online. Understanding and organizing your financial information has just become a whole lot easier and more efficient, hasn't it? I hope this walkthrough has been informative, and remember, the more you practice these steps, the more intuitive they will become. Whenever you need a refresher, feel free to revisit this guide. Happy bookkeeping, and thank you for joining me in today's video.